back to another video. Today I will be reviewing the Gemini 200 Boeing 737 Max-8 for Flair Airlines. This is also the first one on YouTube. Looking at the box, we have an illustration of the Flair Airlines 737 Max-8. We have Boeing 737 Max-8 on the bottom, the item number, some information, Flair Airlines Gemini 200. Looking at the top, we have Gemini 200 and some other information. We have another illustration of the 737 Max-8, some information, Gemini 200, and this is the same for the other side. And on the back, we also have Gemini 200, their famous slogan, as real as it gets, and some other information I don't feel like reading through. But there is also a 737 Boeing licensed product, so that is very nice. Now, to actually open the box, they have this beautiful, nice flap down here, which is held by two magnets. So you take it out. You have this piece of foam right here, which you may now remove the foam from. And you have the model. Looking at the model, we have a piece of plastic which is to protect it. And we have the actual model itself. To take it out, you just pull on the tail and slide out the nose like that. And there's the model. Inside of the box, you have some more foam, and you also have this little tab in the corner which holds all the parts for the gear. So now I'm just going to set the model into the box, ready to put the gear on. We also have this small plastic packet with all the parts of the gear, and which includes the gear up and gear down positions. Are the parts for the gear up position or the parts for the gear down position? These onto the airplane, they have this little magnet that is attached onto them. And if you notice here, one wheel is black and the other one is gray. The black wheel must go on the outer side of the body. You can see I've put all the landing gear on. As you can see here, I've set the model on the ground. We have the split scimitars. We have the beautiful green engines, or turquoise, with the chevrons. We have Flair here, their circle. At the very back there, it says Flair on the inside of the winglet. We have the nose gear, the cockpit, various details and markings. We have an antenna right there. The registration is Charlie Foxtrot Lima Kilo Delta. Turning to the rear, we have the green circle here. We have an antenna here. We have the beacon right there. We also have the APU and some emergency exit markings on both wings. As you can see on the bottom, we have the engine section warnings, where not to cross when the engine's on. We have the beacon up here, the engine outlets. We have an antenna right here, two antennas over there, and a teeny tiny one in the back. We also have purple and green stripes all down here. We also have the landing gear and the nose gear. Thing, when the airplane is on the ground, because the main landing gear are very weakly secured to the body, when it's on the ground, they push back and they do that, and like they're very floppy, and that's to both of them. So that's my only complaint for this entire model. The nose gear does turn very slightly. And yeah, that's so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.